me again. I think this is number 6 out of 9. Thredup. Rescue Fun 10 item box, $34, February 8th, 2023. Today is December 21st, 2023. We have opened other ones. They have been mixed. Paper. I could do a whole spiel, but I'm not going to. It's almost Christmas. I got stuff to do. Bubbles. Okay. Alright, we gotta start with some bling bling. Kind of. This ain't really bling bling. Anyway, trendy. It's trendy. See? Trendy. It says so on the tag. Triple pearls, $7.99. Do you think these are real? Do you think these are real? Maybe. Maybe. I don't know about this. I can't wear it. Doubt my daughter will. My other daughter won't keep anything in her head. So, I don't know. Ugh. Ooh, is this a whole set? We got a set? Does this count as 1 or 2? So this is department. Can't read that. I think this is JCPenney, right? Doesn't JCPenney have the yellow sticker? I haven't been to this is Jasmine and Ginger extra small. Cute little PJ set. Might just give to my daughter. These are extra small. These are huge for extra small. Anyway, they're cute. They're soft, lightweight. Got a little bear on there. So we'll see if this is counted as 1 or 2. Hopefully just 1. Because I don't feel gypped. Ooh, Christmas socks. Man, these would have came in handy. These are women's 9 to 11. Simple little socks, probably from Dollar Tree, considering they're $1. Tom's. Oh my goodness. Look. Look. They're little festive flamingos. That's cute. That's adorable. I might have to keep those just because of that. I'll probably keep those. Designed for Tom's. Built for comfort. That's cute. Look. Look. That's cute. Anyway. Oh, this looks very like a very big empty box. This looks promising. Nope. Well, I don't know. 100% acrylic. I've never. Sawyer and Kyle? Sao and Kyle? That's just a really thick thing. Alright. So it's 100% acrylic. This is a cape. I think we believe it's a cape. There is a metal thing. That must mean maybe it's worth something. I don't know. There's no RSVP. Not RSVP. MSRP. Ay on here. Ooh, and it's stitched in the corners. I'll look it up. Let you know. Anyway, it's like a pale pink and white pinky stripe. It's still kind of pink. I don't know. It looks like, and it's got a little fringe at the bottom. So cute. Maybe that'll be the piece. All right. So I think this is why it looks so empty. Because everything's in here, maybe? Okay, this is made in China. Okay, this is like a felt case. I'm gonna guess these are sunglasses. And it says Feisedy, 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 I don't know. Ooh, those are very, very square. What? What are these? These are insane. Oh my god, don't look at my dirty garage. Holy cow. Huh. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look this up because those look crazy. Got a mirror right there. Definitely not. Oh, I'm gonna have to look this up. That's crazy. Huh. It's interesting. Interesting. Alright. What else we got? More crafting beads. Probably give that to my brother-in-law who makes jewelry. Cording. Bead landing. Oh, some more stuff for brother-in-law. And some jewelry. Was $45. Crystals from Swarovski. They're pretty. From Kohl's. Purple. That's what it says. It says purple. Those are not purple. I don't know why this says purple. Maybe someone did a switcheroo. I don't know. Anyway. Next we got, ooh, Velvety Fields. Good Girl. Carolina Herrera, New York. Isn't that an actress or something? This is all velvety. This is a velvety purse. And it's round. Interesting. And it's stuffed with more tissue paper. Okay, interesting. Carolina Herrera. I know who that is. Don't know off the top of my head. Eek! I think I can picture her. Anyway. So, this is definitely not my thing, but it's someone's thing. It's someone's thing, and someone's gonna need this. Someone's gonna need this. Just not me. And, you know, it's another hair retractor, and this will turn into lady. Y'all, that's it. That's it in this box. I feel like I got gypped. Probably not, but let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this was counted as 1. 10. So, PJs, probably socks to my daughter. She really loves the dollar Christmas socks. All year round. Yeah, she's wearing penguin, Christmassy penguin socks in the middle of August. Yeah. These are mine. I'm going to rock these. And then I got to figure out those sunglasses. All the crafty beaties are probably going to go to my brother-in-law. Hopefully this cape thing is big money. Only time will tell. And who knows how much time, because it's already been in there since February. Anyway, toodles.